What's up guys, Vainglory Gaming here, and today we will show you how to complete the Vainglory tutorial without doing anything. So this is my new account right here, and if you press play, I accidentally done the introduction, but you just click on it. I want you to match, double tap, swipe back, Vainglory. This is good when you like making a new account and you just want to complete the tutorial quick, fast, and you don't have to do any stuff because you're lazy like me. And there we go. Now to 500 bots, same thing. Double tap, swipe down, Vainglory. I'm making a new series called Noob Account Plays Vainglory. And there we go, we finished the whole tutorial. In like 1 second. So hope you guys enjoy. Peace out. Yeah.